Now it's exercise time again. This time I want you to create a chat client. Now it's not going to be a very complex chat client. You're going to use Hyperlambda as a socket slots. We're going to need to create an HTTP post endpoint that transmits signals, the message specified to all listeners. Does not need authentication, neither the post endpoint nor the socket signal invocations. You are going to have to create manually the Angular frontend to allow users to send chat messages and see chat messages. It does not need to say messages. Now, I want you to try to create this entirely from scratch yourself. However, if you don't want to, there actually exists such a project in the documentation for Magic. I'm not going to tell you where because then, even if you cheat, you're going to have to learn something new, which actually is to, at the very least, browse the documentation for Magic and Hyperlambda.